Hello and welcome back to the last part of the dictionary web app making. My name is Shankar Mondal from Educon community. So yeah, so that much of code we have wrote in the last video. So now what we need to do, we need to just design our web page, right? So the data was there, right? So the data was there. Yes, here was the data. So this much of code we have wrote in the last time, and we need to right now. Make this web page, right? So in this video we will be develop our entire web page, the front end part, and in the next video we will be make that functional, right? So yeah, so let's start. So I will be install this bootstrap, and you need to link your bootstrap. So I will just copy their css and js file. So I will first copy the css and I will paste it over here. So okay, I hope it was not copied. We'll just make copy, go back and paste it. And I need to link one more, that is the JS. So I will add this JS bundle from here. Let's say copy this one separated, and we'll just go and so we have a link the bootstrap JS and the CSS part. So in bootstrap, everything is in a 12 row system, right? So a 12 column system. So I will discuss that. And for before going to this part, let's import the navbar code. So I will just search for the navbar code. I will copy this one. Of course, I will remove some of them. So I will just copy it. We'll just go back and here I will paste it. And yeah, let's need some formatting. Okay. Yeah, formatted, and I let me say to you. So it's like this, but I don't need all of these items, right? Yeah, so I will remove all of this. So yes, okay. And I will remove this form as well. No need of this div. Let's have a look how our navbar look like. Yes, this is navbar because we need to change this one. So I will change it to, let's say, words, right? So let's say it's a simple name. Our app name is words, right? So yeah, or you can keep it to dictionary, but it's better to keep it simple words. And yeah, after that I need to structure the entire one. So I will write div class, and inside this class I will mention container, and I need to close this one. I will write div, and inside this so it will be a div. Inside this it will be a class, and this class will be our row, and div. Write this much of code, and inside this row I'll just copy this one because we will have two row. Inside this row I will write div class, and here I will write call md12. Need to close this one, okay. And inside this I need a form, right? And here what I need is I need another 12. It won't be 12, it will be there will be 3, right? So it will be 4. I need 4 columns, sorry, 3 columns. So total 12 columns, right? Total the column D will be 12. Yeah, so now I will write this one as let's say h3, and inside this h3 write 3 of h3s inside this particular columns, and here will be our sentence, right? It will be meanings. Okay, so let's look how it looks like. Yeah, it's look like this, but yeah, we didn't insert this form, right? So I will just go to Bootstrap once again, and here I will write for forms. I need a simple, very simple form. So yeah, I will copy this one, but again, I don't need this much of code, so I will copy it. Just go back here, I will paste it, and let me check how it looks like. Okay, so I don't need this much. So yeah, the label for, I will remove this one. I don't need this to write the for, and the type will be text for our case. We'll write text, and the ID we will later give this as ID, and let me just remove this as well. And I don't need this text. And now if I just have a look on this, okay. But one thing what we could do, I don't need this level as well, right? Right. So yeah, or you can write this search here, right? So yeah, okay, it will be here, right? It will be search here. Save this one. Yeah. Now have a look how it looks like here. Or you can do a space holder. Yeah, you can write in a space holder as well. So it will be more code. So we'll write space holder, space holder, and inside this, if I write search here, check this. Okay, so the search here is there, and I can remove this level. So I don't need this level as well. And yeah, okay. So now I need a button, right? So I will write button, sorry, button, and here I will write button inside this search. Yeah, so we just go back. I have this button, but I need to give some style here. So we'll add this class, and inside this I will write btn, btn warning, btn warning, and btn sm. So let's have a check. And one more thing that we could do, I can give empty 5 over here so that this extra space comes. And okay, so it's a whole bar, so we can yeah, so we'll, what we will do, we'll just take it 6, and we'll write offset 3, so it will be a good one. Yeah, now it's looked like okay. So yeah, good. And we can give one additional class over here. That class maybe, let's say one more class, and we can add some padding that we can do. But first create one page.css. This is our css file, and we need to link this one with html. So we'll just go here, and it should have, here I will write page.css. Yeah, start page.css, and inside the css I will define one class. Let's say the class is, to give a class, so we'll write it was in the search, right? So search one, let's say search one. Okay, the search one, let it be search one, and inside this I will write uh, padding, and this padding will be, let's say, 20 pixel, and give some color to it. So we'll just go to UI gradient, UI gradient, gradients, and I can pick one color. So let's go to this particular website, and yeah, let's search for colors. This one is very good. So just copy this one and go back here, paste it. if I add here search one, and this is search one, save it. This is good. Still not. So yeah. So okay, so here one missing. So we can provide one more MP5 over here. Now it's pretty good. So we are all done with our UI, and let's see in the next video we will be make it functional, right? So thanks for watching.